Hey guys, welcome to the Acne Chef, and today we're going to be making some crispy chicken cutlets. Let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 to 2 organic chicken breasts, some breadcrumbs, potato starch, olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic, cumin, and paprika. So you'll want to begin by seasoning your chicken. So to season the chicken breast, I just put salt, pepper, garlic, cumin, and paprika onto the chicken breast. You can do this on one side or both sides. I would recommend starting with one side. If that's not enough spices for you, then the next recipe you can put it on both sides. When you're finished, the product should look something like this. So after you season your chicken breast, I just laid out some olive oil, breadcrumbs, and potato starch on 3 separate plates. So now to finish up the chicken breast, all we're going to do is put a chicken breast into the olive oil on both sides. Then we're going to coat it with breadcrumbs. And finally, we're going to finish it off with some potato starch. And if you want, you can go back and coat it in some more breadcrumbs. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. For this recipe, I'm only using 2 chicken breasts, but you can use up to 4 chicken breasts, and if you're serving a lot, you can go as many people as you want. I'd recommend usually 1 chicken breast per person per serving. So after you're finished, your chicken breast should look something like this. So after you've coated your chicken breast with the breading, you're going to set an oven up for 350 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to cook the chicken breast between 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. I usually set up my chicken breast for 350 degrees between 30 and 45 minutes, and then afterwards, near the end, I crank up the heat to 425 to make sure that I get a nice crispiness to my chicken breast. So that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side.